How to join tournaments in Stumble Guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can join tournaments in Stumble Guys. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started. If you wish to join tournaments in Stumble Guys, all you have to do is make sure to launch the Stumble Guys game first of all, and this is the interface you will be able to see. Now what you have to do is on the bottom of the screen on the right hand side you can see various options. So one of those options is going to be called tournaments. So in order to join tournaments you just have to select that right here, and you can see the different type of tournaments that are currently available. Depends on what kind of stage in the game you're in. So you have the Elimination Cup and the Legendary Laser Dash. So whichever one is currently they are hosting will only be able to join that, and to enter it all you have to do is just click on this enter button and you will be successfully joined in the tournament. That's all it takes for you to join tournaments in Stumble Guys. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.